Hello, coming to you today with 12 ways on how to make money online from the comforts of your home. Starting with number one, it's called Auto Savings, and it's a customer service, $15 an hour. Existing customers as well as potential customers with exceptional customer service. Before I go any further, if you want more information or more ways of how to make money from home, don't forget, consider subscribing to the channel, and everything I talk about I will put on the bottom of this video, and you could check out any videos that I have currently, because I have a bunch of them work from home opportunities. Don't forget to share the video if you may know someone that may need a work from home job or a way of how to make money from home. Number two is called OneDigital, and all of these is work from home remote jobs. Yeah, remote. Some of them might tell me, but they're all remote. All 12 is 12 ways on how to make money online. And these is all work from home jobs. Number three is fast service credit union, remote, work from home, customer service. You need high school diploma or a previous remote working experience on or a context or if you have experience at a contact center, like a call center. Four is computer programs, systems, claim resolution specialist. Earn paid time off and company paid holidays. Like the holidays right here, you will be getting paid holidays and paid time off as well. Five is called Combyne, GMBLT, messaging marketer specialist, 2 to 3 years experience in digital marketing. Six is called Hearth, Hearth management, Aide, $11 an hour. And this is a virtual work from home management. You're going to be on the phone. You're going to be doing just basic info, like basic information that you're going to be given to. You're like an aide, a management. And you could get paid $11 an hour. Seven is called Solium Capital, and this is a client service rep, post-secondary diploma, or degree in business. Eight is called EdConnective virtual instructional coach. Provide 30 minutes of pre-observation for the enrolled teacher at the beginning of each coaching cycle. Number nine is called Bustle, and you're going to be a virtual editor, A commitment of 20 hours per week is required for a duration of 3 months. I just want to say thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I just want to say that. Number 10 is called Premier Inc. Customer Success. Directly support members' questions about data and analysis. Point of contact on members' calls, inquiries, special report requests. 11 is called TekSynap Richmond, Virginia. Data scientist. Part-time position. Master. You got to have your master's in computer science, math or related field. You got to have experience in math or the related field, but you got to have your master's in computers. And this is a part-time position, and they're still hiring. So click on any of the links on the bottom of this video. Number 12 is called Dish Network in the Ceres, Virginia. Remote tech, $15.50 an hour. Intelligence to seek opportunities to sell to every customer or any customer, and you can make up to $15.50 an hour. I want to say thank you for checking out this video, and I hope that any of these 12 ways on how to make money from home is going to help you in your endeavors and put some money in your pocket for the new year. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more ways of how to make money from home. And everything I talk about, I put on the bottom of this video here. So click on any link that you're interested in, and If anyone that you're interested in and start the process, don't click on anyone that you know you ain't gonna like. So my cat is coming in here. But I want to say thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for checking out this video, and I appreciate you. And if you don't mind just give me subscribe. If you don't mind just hitting that like, subscribe. If you want more information on how to make money from home, or even if I even made a difference, that would mean a lot to me. So thank you and enjoy this day. Beautiful New Year's Eve, and stay blessed and happy holidays. Bye bye for now.